Welcome back everyone to the most shocking coin channel on the internet, where small coins can mean big money. Today we are revealing the top 4 most valuable and trending coins that collectors are searching for right now. These coins look normal, but their value can surprise anyone. Coin number 1 shocked the market with its rare date and strong history. Many people still have it without knowing its true worth. Coin number 2 is famous for its mint mark that changes everything. One tiny letter makes a huge price difference. Coin number 3 is loved for its errors that collectors go crazy for. A small mistake turned this coin into a treasure. Coin number 4 is trending worldwide and selling fast at auctions. Condition makes or breaks the value of all these coins. High-grade examples can sell for hundreds or even thousands. Original color and sharp details matter the most. Cleaning these coins can destroy value instantly. Professional grading increases trust and price. Social media has made these coins go viral again. Collectors are searching jars, boxes, and bankrolls daily. One lucky find can change everything. Old coins are disappearing fast from circulation. Demand keeps rising every year. History makes these coins powerful. Wartime and pre-war coins are especially popular. Small copper and silver pieces tell big American stories. Many people spent these coins without thinking. Today they are highly hunted. Coin hunting is more exciting than ever. Every date matters. Every mint mark matters. Every detail matters. Even tiny errors can double value. Beginners and experts want these coins. Auction prices shock new collectors every day. Never ignore old change. Always check your coins carefully. A single cent can be worth real money. These top 4 coins prove that fact. Stay alert while searching. Your next find could be special. Welcome back again to the hunt. The treasure could already be in your pocket. So let's get started. First up, today we are talking about a 1-cent wheat penny from 1940 with NO mint mark. And this small copper coin is shocking collectors around the world. This penny was struck in Philadelphia, where no mint mark was used at that time. At first glance, it looks like a normal old penny, but hidden value makes it special. The front shows Abraham Lincoln with the words, "In God We Trust," clearly visible. The date 1940 stands bold and strong, showing pre-World War II history. On the back, 2 wheat ears surround the words 1 cent and United States of America. Millions were minted, but only a few survived in high grade. Many people still find this coin in old boxes and piggy banks. Some collectors ignore it, but experts know better. High-grade examples can be worth far more than face value. Coins with strong red color are extremely valuable. A perfect condition 1940 no mint penny can sell for hundreds of dollars. Rare errors make this coin explode in price. Double-die details shock collectors instantly. Off-center strikes increase demand fast. Weak strikes are common, but sharp strikes are rare. Original luster adds big value. No cleaning is allowed for top prices. Even small scratches reduce value greatly. Professional grading changes everything. PCGS and NGC slabs raise trust. Auction prices surprise new collectors. Old pennies are becoming harder to find. Copper composition adds historical importance. This coin represents American strength before wartime. Many people spent these pennies without thinking. Today, collectors search everywhere for them. A simple penny can change your collection. Searching rolls can bring excitement. Every find feels like treasure. Coin hunting is growing fast online. Videos about wheat pennies go viral daily. The 1940 no mint mark penny stays in demand. Condition is the real key to value. Always check the date closely. Look for full wheat lines on the back. Sharp lettering means higher grade. Weight and color matter too. Never underestimate old coins. This penny proves small coins can be big money. History, rarity, and condition create value. 1 cent can become hundreds. Check your change carefully. Your next penny could shock you. Collision fire. Next up, this is where things get absolutely shocking, because the 1944 wheat penny with the D mint mark looks like an ordinary 1-cent coin. Yet it hides a story that has collectors searching their pockets nonstop, since this coin was struck during World War II, when the U.S. Mint was under extreme pressure. Metal shortages were everywhere, and Denver mint pennies were produced at massive speed. meaning mistakes could easily slip through unnoticed. And while most 1944 Wheat pennies were made from copper recovered from wartime shell casings, a tiny number were struck on the wrong metal planchets, creating error coins that today can be worth thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's why this coin is so dangerous to ignore, because at first glance it shows Abraham Lincoln on the front with "In God We Trust" and "Liberty," and on the back the classic wheat ears framing 1 cent. But if the weight feels wrong, the color looks silver or unusually shiny, or a magnet sticks to it, collectors immediately go wild. Since a steel or off-metal 1944 Wheat penny is one of the most wanted coins in American numismatics, and even a normal copper 1944 D in high mint state condition can sell for surprising prices if it has sharp details, full wheat lines, strong luster, and no wear, while rare errors like double dies, off-center strikes, clip planchets, or repunched mint marks can multiply the value instantly, turning a 1-cent coin into a life-changing find. And this is why experts always warn people never to clean old pennies, because cleaning can destroy value in seconds, while naturally toned, original 1944 Wheat penny can be a collector's dream, especially if it grades MS 65 or higher. And the craziest part is that many of these coins are still sitting unnoticed in jars, drawers, and inherited collections, waiting for someone to look closely, check the mint mark, test the metal, and realize they're holding a small copper coin with a massive story, proving once again that sometimes the most valuable treasures are hiding in plain sight, disguised as ordinary pocket change. Next up, the 1942 Wheat penny is one of those coins that looks completely ordinary at first glance. Yet the moment you understand its history, the value shock begins, because this coin was struck right in the middle of World War II when America was rapidly changing its money to support the war effort. And that alone makes every 1942 penny special to collectors, especially when you notice the mint mark. Since these coins were produced in Philadelphia with no mint mark, in Denver with a D, and in San Francisco with an S, each telling a different production story. And while millions were made, condition and errors are everything, because a worn 1942 penny might be worth just a little more than face value, but a sharp, red, uncirculated example can suddenly jump in price, leaving people stunned that a 1-cent coin could be worth serious money. And the shock deepens when you learn about rare varieties like double dies, off-center strikes, clip planchets, or weak strikes caused by rushed wartime production, all of which can multiply value instantly. And collectors especially go wild for coins with strong details on Lincoln's face, clear, "In God We Trust," bold wheat ears, and original luster, while cleaning the coin can absolutely destroy its worth in seconds, making untouched examples far more valuable. And the craziest part is that many people still confuse 1942 pennies with later steel cents, not realizing that genuine 1942 Wheat pennies were struck in copper alloy, making weight, color, and magnet tests extremely important. And this is why coin hunters keep searching old jars, family collections, and forgotten boxes, because a high-grade or error 1942 Wheat penny can turn a simple pocket find into an unbelievable discovery, proving once again that history, rarity, and tiny details can transform a common-looking coin into a shocking hidden treasure. Next up, the 1939 Wheat penny is one of those coins that looks simple and ordinary. Yet the moment you understand its hidden details, the shock begins, because this penny was struck just before World War II, when the United States was quietly preparing for massive change. And the mint mark is where the real excitement starts, since 1939 pennies were made in Philadelphia with no mint mark, Denver with a bold D, and San Francisco with an S. And each version tells a different story of production and survival. While millions were struck, only a small number remain in high-grade condition today, making sharp, red, uncirculated examples incredibly desirable. And collectors pay close attention to Lincoln's portrait, the strength of "In God We Trust," the clarity of "Liberty," and the full wheat ears on the reverse, because even slight wear can dramatically affect value. And the shock factor increases when you learn about rare varieties and errors like double dies, off-center strikes, clip planchets, die cracks, and weak strikes caused by overworked dies, all of which can turn an ordinary 1-cent coin into a highly valuable collector piece, and some 1939 wheat pennies, with strong luster and perfect surfaces, can sell for prices that leave people stunned, especially if they grade MS 66 or higher, while cleaned or damaged coins lose value instantly, proving that original condition is everything. And the most unbelievable part is that many 1939 wheat pennies are still hiding in old jars, inherited collections, and forgotten drawers, waiting for someone to notice the date, check the mint mark, and realize they're holding a small copper coin packed with history, rarity, and shocking potential that continues to drive collectors wild today.